Welcome back from yesterday where we laid the gold leaf on and it's completely dry. It's been over 24 hours. Now we have an agate stone, which is this, and we're going to burnish the foliage on the leaf, the acanthus leaf here, and we're going to highlight the gold, the 24 karat gold that we did yesterday. And what's going to happen is we're going to burnish the gold into the actual clay. And let's begin. Okay. So here we have the gold leaf that was laid on yesterday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on top of the area. It's going to bring life, and it's going to bring the gold really to look like gold bar. You can see it coming up. And here too, you can see it. We run it across the top. And then there. We want to have a little bit of age as well, a bit of tear on the gold, so you have a little bit of all of this wear and tear, the breaking into the black clay underneath. So